Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very chill video. I'm going to be doing my monthly favorites for July, which literally went by so fast, like in the blink of an eye. We're already into August. Grab a drink. I have an ice water here today. Grab your favorite drink, grab a snack. I feel like it's just going to be very chill and we're going to talk all my favorites, lots of lifestyle favorites, some food. We're gonna talk the Taylor Swift album, like the actual face masks. I found ones that I really love, some new frying pans, some comfy clothes. I'm looking over here because like I have all my stuff on this table right here. A new recipe, like a new baking recipe. So yeah, all the things today. We're talking about all the things, all girly things. So if you are new here, I would love it if you consider hitting subscribe below. I make 3 videos a week on fashion, beauty, sometimes I incorporate lifestyle like I do here. So if you're into girly, feminine, like blush pinks and neutrals, you're definitely gonna wanna stick around for more videos. Also give this video a like if you enjoyed it and let me know how your month was down below. I'd love to know like how you guys doing and we'll chat more below. But let's get started. I'm trying to think of what I even want to start with. Like there's so many things, so many good things. So let's start off with these like fun pouches that I have. One's a Walmart find, one's from Sony Clover. So this one right here, this pink one is Sony Clover. This is from the Sony Clover X Love Shack Fancy. How many times am I gonna say Sony Clover? If you have not tried Sony Clover before, they're known for their like travel pouches, handbag pouches. These are great really for anything, organization, even have them sitting on your vanity. This one I'm gonna use in my purse, but they're known for putting patches on top of any of their products. You could get them custom sewn on their website, which they do recommend, or you could just stick them on yourself. I personally stuck these on myself and I haven't had them fall off yet. So I have another Sony Clover patch I also stuck on myself that like stayed on also. I did order the terry cloth one from the summertime, but I did get those sewn on because I wasn't sure on the terry cloth if they were gonna stay. But this pouch is so cute. So it's a flat pouch, but it really does expand pretty good. Like you could put a lot of stuff in here. So I'm planning on putting this in my Neverfull tote or something like that, or my Deauville. And I just think this is such a darling pouch. I personalized it with my initial in the middle. They have so many different patches and different colors and whatnot. And I did a bow on each side. I just thought it was the most darling thing ever. I believe this pouch comes in a couple other colors. It's in their limited edition Love Shack Fancy collection. So definitely such a cute one. Great quality. This is something you're gonna have for years and years and it's amazing. So once you have one Sony Clover item, you're gonna want more, just as a warning, because they're so addicting. So I'll have that exact one linked below with all the exact pouches in case you want to make it the exact same way. But they have so many different things, like it's literally mix and match, like you can't go wrong. And then this is a Walmart pouch that I recently got. It's like that look for less. It's the checkered. It also comes in blush pink and the brown checkered, which I also ordered, but they did not come in yet. But this is great. I have my spare mask stored in here, like for my handbag. So if I don't want like my mask just around my bag like that, so I have it in this little pouch. It has a clear front and back, so you could do beauty in here, like your lipstick of the day and stuff. Oh, I also want to mention this. People have said that their iPad fits in here. I'm not sure if all size iPads would fit in here. I don't have an iPad, but I do want to mention with this that you could fit an iPad. But anyways, back to this. Yeah, you could fit just like so many different things in here and I just love it. The quality of the zipper is really nice on both of the pouches I just showed you guys. So I'll have both of them linked. I think they're very handy. I love organizing my handbags with like little pouches and stuff like that. I just think it's really cute. Let's chat about my bracelets that I'm wearing. Actually, I have been obsessed with these bracelets. Speaking of the Love Shack Fancy vibe, these bracelets are sold in Love Shack Fancy stores. She has an Etsy shop. I have these 2 bracelets. I found her Etsy shop. She has the most darling bracelets. They're just like shabby chic bracelets, and they have like the ties on the back. They're just very, I don't want to say boho because they're not boho, but they're just shabby chic, but they're just like that boho vibe with the tie bracelets, I feel like. But I just think it's so fun and different. I love it paired with like the sweatshirt. I've worn it with a t-shirt dress before. If you just want to make your look more casual but still girly, I think these are really pretty. You could get it to say whatever you want. I customize my name on it, but if you want a custom order, just DM her on Instagram. I'm sure you could even DM her Etsy shop, because yeah, if you don't have Instagram, I'm sure you could like message her on Etsy. I really love this combination. I got the crystal heart and then my name. So I definitely love them. They're just so fun and unique. I want to chat with you guys. I have my favorite pairs of denim shorts for the summer, and then I also have these sweats that I just got in. They are just a good essential. They're really good. So the 2 pairs of denim shorts that I've been loving are from 2 different brands. I love, as you guys know, this is no surprise, but the Goldie denim shorts. They're really great. They're a little bit shorter. But if you want something a little bit longer, these Abercrombie denim shorts are also really, really good. They are both amazing quality. I think the Goldie are a little bit better quality. I feel like these will last you a lot longer. I do size down in the Goldie to the 24 for sizing on that, and then on the Abercrombie ones. I personally sized up. I think I'm kind of like in between, so I sized up. Otherwise, I would get your regular size if you're if you know your Abercrombie size, get your regular size. But otherwise, if you're in between, like, go up a size, I feel like. I get them in the Curve Love now because I notice I get a lot of gapping in the back of my denim shorts. So the Curve Love, they're made for a smaller waist. If you don't have that issue and you feel like actually your hips and your waist are a little bit more of like a straight figure, then I would actually go with the regular sizing. So I'll list that all out below for you guys. Definitely love it. These are the medium wash. And then in the Abercrombie, again, I have the medium. This is the medium shredded wash. And I also have the light shredded wash, which you guys have seen a lot on my channel. And then, of course, the Goldie, I have a bunch of pairs of these. They're just so good. So wanted to chat my favorite denim shorts because I've been wearing them a lot throughout the month of July. I also want to share with you guys my favorite sweats. So I just got these Abercrombie sweats in. I have been loving Abercrombie sweats for years now. I mean, they're just so good. The quality is amazing, and I feel like they even made these softer. So these, I got them in gray, and then I got them, of course, had to get the blush pink. I definitely love to grab like a neutral, and then like, of course, if they have blush, although blush is like a neutral. They have like a roughly waist. They are definitely a higher rise. So if you wanted to wear them with like a crop tank or something, they would work with that as well. But I've traveled in these in the past, like not this exact pair. I have other Abercrombie joggers that I've traveled in. Haven't traveled in a long time. But yeah, you could travel, hit myself in the face. You could travel in them. You could just lounge in them, wear them for like a cute and casual outfit. I just think you could really glam them up with like a tank and a denim jacket. They look super cute. So this is like the gray. It's kind of like a putty gray, I'd say. And they're really great. So I definitely would grab them if you're on the lookout for a really cute and cozy jogger. They're so soft. And the quality is just amazing. And this blush pink is perfection for sure. All right, and let's chat face masks because I have gotten so many compliments on these masks, and so many of you guys bought them. You guys really love them as much as I did. So yeah, these face masks are amazing quality. You guys, I have tried a lot of different face masks. I bought lots of different styles. Some are uncomfortable, some look cute, but they're not as like comfy. So this is like one of the best ones I've tried, and look how cute the little charms are on the sides. So mine came in a pack of 2. It comes with the pink, and then also comes with the green one. So they're like really pretty, like pastels. But I will say, I mean, I don't love the green color as much. I'm just not a green person. I don't wear green hardly ever. I mean, rare. It's rare that I wear green, but I bought it mainly for the pink one. It has these like colorful heart charms on the sides, like, or beads I should say. And I do personally, they don't say to wash them with the beads on them. They say to take them off, but I just personally wash them in cold water. And then I just like hung to dry, and they were totally fine. But they're just so comfortable. I've been like loving wearing these masks because they're just very comfy. Obviously, they're not medical grade by any means. You have to read on their website all about, they're just like your basic face mask, but you know, they're really cute, and they have the ties on the side so you could adjust it. So like when it's on your face, you could adjust it. I think they're just so pretty. Let's chat we'll do a food favorite because I have 2 food favorites. So this next favorite is an oatmeal. Such a quick and easy breakfast idea if you're like on the go, but you want something very healthy. This is like really clean ingredients. It's by the brand RX. I got them in the apple cinnamon and then the maple, which I have not tried the maple, but I'm all about apple and cinnamon and maple and all the like fall flavors like that. So this apple cinnamon one has 1 egg white, 9 almonds, 1 date, 1/3 cup of oats, no BS. All you do is add water. You could add like boiling hot water, or you could just microwave it, whatever you'd rather. But they're so delicious. They're so quick. They're so easy. They have like a little crunch to them because they have slivered almonds in them. So it's just such a good like texture to it, and the flavoring is amazing. Like you don't even feel like you're eating healthy food, but it's healthy. It's a clean ingredient. So Definitely recommend. I ordered these online, so they just get delivered right to me. Let's talk about my frying pans, and then we'll talk folklore album, and then my baking recipe that I've been doing. Okay, so I found these frying pans. You guys, wait till you see these gold and blush pink pans. They come in like pots and pans too, but I just wanted to try them out in the two-piece set. And oh my gosh, aren't they so pretty? But okay, they're pretty, but that's not the whole reason why I bought them. I heard so much about green pan, which is like not the color green. Like I'm talking like it's healthier for you to cook on these pans. I've been using these and they wipe clean so incredibly well. Like when I'm done, say, cooking my ground turkey meat for like, I make like these ground turkey tacos. Sounds so random, but I don't eat red meat, so I use like ground turkey for the taco meat. And oh my gosh, you guys, this like wipes clean right when you're done as like a pre-clean. Of course, I throw these in the dishwasher, but just as like a pre-cleaning, they just wipe clean so quickly and easily. So say you have to like use the same pan in the recipe for something else, like if you're making like a sauce or something, like it's so easy to like clean up. Like it's insane how good these pans are. And the bonus is that they're blush pink and gold. They do come in other colors, of course, if you don't want pink and gold pans. You know you're officially just like adulting when you like love pots and pans and get excited over like little things like that. But it's just the little things, right? So anyways, the next thing I want to chat about is Taylor Swift's new album, which you guys, she just like dropped it out of nowhere. You guys know I'm like a major Swiftie. I don't know if there's any other fellow Swifties watching this. Comment below if you're a Swiftie. I'd love to hear like your favorite Taylor Swift album, or if you have like any song favorites from this album, the Folklore album. She just dropped a new album randomly. If you guys like are a Swiftie, you know that she like, you know, has all these clues leading up to the album. No, this was like randomly, like just dropped the album like with less than 24 hours notice. So it was really exciting. And you guys, I think lyrically this is like her best album. I of course love the aesthetic of like the Speak Now album has like really good songs on it, and so is Lover. I mean, it's so good. But I think lyrically, I mean, these songs are just, some of them are just so relatable. Like it makes you think of your past relationships, like Exile, and there's a lot of good ones, but it really makes you think. And yeah, they're so good. I love Invisible String. I love The One, and I love Exile, so good. So I definitely have been listening to that nonstop. So you guys are gonna have to let me know your thoughts on the album. Like, what do you think about it? Do you have any absolute favorites? I'd love to chat more about the album, because me and my friends have been in a group text like all week talking about the album, what our favorites were and whatnot. This month I was actually supposed to go to Loverfest, but of course that didn't happen, her Lover concert. So we'll have to just see what happens with that. But we have this new album now to listen to at least. And next, let's chat about my recipe that I've been making. I made this recipe twice now. They're banana cinnamon muffins. I found them on Jean Wang's blog. She's a blogger. I'm sure a lot of you may have heard of her blog, but it's so good. I'll link it below for you guys, but they're so good. So you could add blueberries. I added blueberries to this one. I had one for breakfast. They're so good. This smells so good right now. I just want to eat it, but I'm gonna save this one for breakfast tomorrow. The recipe makes like 5 or 6 muffins, just depending on what you put in the muffins. Like if you put a lot of blueberries in, it's gonna make, obviously it's gonna have more volume to it. So it'll probably make about 6, but if you don't really add any like other like ingredients, then it'll probably make about 5 muffins. But they're delicious. Like say you want to make them for breakfast, if you just put some of the dry ingredients out at night, like anything that's like shelf stable that you could just have on your counter, you could just have it ready the next morning, super quick and easy. Like while you're getting ready, just have them baking in the oven, and they're just so good. Oh my gosh, they're delicious. Like they smell so good. I just love anything, of course, with those cinnamon in it. And you could probably add like walnuts or like other berries, or I don't know what else you would add into muffins, but yeah, I'm sure you could add whatever else you want, chocolate chips. You could pretty much add whatever you want with them, but they're really delicious. I'm also gonna look into trying to substitute the flour for almond flour. So I don't know if that would be like equal parts flour to almond flour. You guys have to let me know if you've ever done that. Like, is it an easy swap out, or do I have to like really adjust it? I don't really know. And then I think, is that everything? I think I got, oh no, I have one more thing. I have a beauty favorite. How did this little bottle just got like lost in the shuffle? It is a Chanel highlighter that I was like just, you know, browsing the Chanel beauty website. I just love trying out new beauty products, and I was just like in the mood to try something from Chanel because I haven't tried anything recently from them. So it's this beautiful bottle of highlighter. It's in like a pump, which is great, and I use a beauty blender, and it's the highlighter I have on today, and I've been using it in a lot of my videos. It's just such a stunning highlighter. It's very natural, it's dewy, it gives you that glowy look. It's like a sheer liquidy highlighter, and it doesn't break down my makeup or anything, and I just love it so much. Think about Chanel too, when you order on their website, they actually give you like a free Chanel box and this whole like presentation. It's packed so beautifully. The samples that I got came in this like black drawstring Chanel bag. It was all free. Like they do free shipping, free returns. It's so nice. The packaging is beautiful, like glass bottle. This is in Pearly Glow, by the way. I don't know if it comes in any other colors. I don't think it did, but that's what it says on the bottom in case it does. So I highly recommend ordering on Chanel if you're gonna order their makeup. Now I think I got everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll have everything that I mentioned linked down below in that description box, including my outfit details as well. I just decided to go for all the comfy and casual vibes today. So I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a wonderful day or night or whatever time of day you're watching this. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you all in my next video very soon. Love you guys. Bye.